In for Mike Hernandez today, and Jason, New Mexico's getting its share of rain right in time for the holiday.
You know, some parts of the state are getting rains, but maybe not quite as bad as Australia, but we are going under in some cases. Take a look at this shot from Elephant Butte taken yesterday by Pat and Leona Basham. Yesterday it was mostly cloud cover, not a lot of rain in the area yet, but I tell you, overnight this morning and even right into now, the rains are coming down, and that is not to the light of lots of people who have gone down there hoping to see a little sunshine. You'll get your chance, though, as the weekend wears on. Let me show you what's going on down that way right now. Sierra County under a flood advisory. This is until 5:45 this evening. I talked about all the rain they've had. It's got nowhere to go, so it's filling up the streets and the arroyos. So be careful down that way. And down into Doña Ana County until 12:45. It's going to expire a little sooner. A flash flood warning down that way, and you can see the reasons why. Heavy, heavy rain. See these shades of red and yellow that are beginning to show up? Those are thunderstorms. That's where the rain's coming down fast and furious. But around TRC, Elephant Butte, it's just all rain. And notice this moves north to Socorro, just to the south of Belen, and it looks like it's getting closer to Albuquerque. Indeed, that is the case. I talked about scattered sprinkles off and on through midday afternoons when it cranks up around here, and I think that will certainly be the case. Here's your big picture. The reason for the rain? Well, it's a little spin in the atmosphere and a lot of deep moisture that's been pulled up. This storm center, which is anchored over Arizona, really hasn't moved much since this time yesterday. We are expecting a slow drift towards the north and east as time wears on, but this is going to keep us in the wet weather for at least a couple of days. That's why I think it'll be the tail end of the holiday weekend before things dry out. 65 at the Sunport, 63 Santa Fe. Look at this warm air to the east where things are starting to warm up. That could spell trouble in the form of thunderstorms before all is said and done in that area. In the meantime, underneath the clouds, it's raindrops galore as the rains continue to advance north throughout the afternoon and into the evening hours. And in the east, that's where we could see the possibility of thunderstorms. Of course, thunderstorms already ongoing down in the south central part of the state. In the southeast, well, a couple of lightning flashes you see there could well get in on the act as well. Going to be soggy throughout the afternoon, I suspect, for our East Mountain communities. That's why we're going to top out only in the mid-60s. And it looks like the temperature could make 70s in some cases. We'll struggle to get there. I know we're just a few degrees shy of that now, but if you haven't looked outside lately, it is quite cloudy, and it is going to get quite wet before all is said and done. Showers Friday, Saturday, possibly Sunday, although I think once we get into Sunday, the showers will be more confined to the higher elevations as we recycle moisture. But this widespread chance for showers and storms will prevail for at least the next, 18 to 36 hours. So that means right through Saturday, we're kind of wet out there, Mike. Monday's looking good, though. 83, partly cloudy skies for most. So Memorial Day weekend is not a complete washout.
Okay, well, that's good. That's